So here are the child protection cabinet locks. They come in a package like this. So here are the instructions. Oh, you can cut it to size. It can go around a corner, like a refrigerator. Interesting. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 pieces in total. It looks like, let's see if I can figure this out just by, that doesn't do anything. What's the purpose of that? Okay, well, it's got these little notches in it that match up to this guy. So you can place it down and then slide this over, out like this, onto it and lock it in. Definitely not something that is going to be something like a kid can get in and out of without problems. Let's see. That's attached. Oops. Oh, okay. So I suppose if this was mounted onto something, the way that you can access it is by pushing that and then pulling on it. It would allow you to get in. And then when you're done, you would just, pull it back to reattach it again. And this is to secure the length. And then you would cut the extra off. Okay, that's the default setting. And it looks like make sure it's free of dust, liquid or oily surfaces. Adult supervision. Nemalimananamanatended. Checkling. Look. Regularly. Toe. Sure. Safe usage. Yes, we should adhere to these cautionary instructions. Very, very important. So, I have a great appreciation for this, actually. It is actually very clear. So yeah, when it's mounted, you would then pull this back and it would detach from this part here. And that would allow you in, and then you click it back. And it does look like, unless you've got some very serious coordination skills, you're not getting into that box. And they're 3M foam pad things, so they should be removable when the time comes. So yeah, I'm excited. Gonna keep little kids out of everything. All the things. Although I might keep a lot of adults out of the things too if they can't figure out how to open it. But there you go.